started during the WTO in Seattle, and a few months before the WTO, we were a few people that are in the band. We're talking about having this kind of noisy procession to lead people throughout the streets to various actions, and to also provide energy for a lot of the protests. Because I mean, you're out there all day, and it gets tiring. No food, no water, it's hard. And like, when you hear a drum beat, you just automatically like, wow, like, hey, I can raise my fist in defiance against the state.
The basic reason that we are here is to fight against the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund and the potential for global slavery.
We are a tactical rhythmic unit. It's mostly drums, and the music is structured in such a way that it can really accompany something and propel it forward, and that we can motivate people, and we can energize crowds to do whatever it is that they're interested in doing. That's to me a good thing. If it's not business as usual can't continue. Business as usual means starvation for a good part of the world and miserable conditions.